Let's talk about our weather because we were treated to some really nice temperatures over the weekend. It's like, we had a great weekend and now today.
Yeah, back to work. It's, the weekend has ended and the nice weather has kind of gone with it. We're not going to be just pouring every day today. It's not all that hot or humid just yet, but you can see when you wake up this morning, it's not looking quite as nice as it was over the past couple of days. We've got a mix of sun and clouds. The sun up now across the region, north and west. We're looking at 60s still this morning. Not bad. 65 in Allentown, low 70s in Philadelphia, Wildwood, Millville. So it's not a bad morning and really not going to be a bad day either. The problem is we've got a couple of disturbances to watch. This first one just kind of sitting and spinning here over southern New England. Most of the showers with that staying north and east, but you can see some clouds around the back edge of it. And then this next disturbance starts to lift in from the west, bringing more shower and storm chances tomorrow. So it's going to be one of those patterns where every day this week you've got to kind of keep an eye to the sky. You see those dark clouds kind of bubble up, could get stuck in a downpour, and then it's kind of in and out quickly for the most part. Right now, a couple of sprinkles trying to work their way into Bucks County. Not all of that reaching the ground, but a lot of cloud cover as you head back toward Lancaster County. In western Chester, you're seeing a little bit more of a break in the cloud cover. But later on this afternoon, with that system nearby, with any daytime heating, certainly any sun we see, that's just going to destabilize things enough that a few showers and storms will fire up from the city toward the shore, especially later on this afternoon and evening. The Lehigh Valley may stay away from the storm threat today, just seeing clouds and breaks of sun. Here's what this looks like. Again, as we take you through the rest of the day, here's that swirl of clouds over New England. Most of the first half of the day is dry. We'll go through noon with even a few breaks of sun, not too bad, and not all that hot thanks to that cooler breeze coming in around the back edge of that low. What we're going to be seeing in the afternoon, again, just with the daytime heating and that instability, a couple of scattered showers and storms. Best chance, I think, is Ocean County into Mercer County, but a few scattered downpours around the city possible as well. Eventually the shore by about 6:30 and into tonight, and then that dries out. And tomorrow we start the day with sun and clouds before another round of showers and storms fires up. These will mainly be what we call diurnally driven, meaning they're driven by the heating of the day. So they like to form in the hottest, most humid part of the day, which is late afternoon, 2:30, 3, 4 o'clock, and then a better chance for some steadier rain comes in overnight tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. That one lifts out, that latest disturbance, and then we get another chance for just a few spotty showers and storms on Wednesday. So you can see we've got a better than average or right about average rain chance today, tomorrow, Wednesday. Thursday dries out, but that's also the hottest day of the week. And then we're back to shower and storm chances for Friday and Saturday. So a pretty typical summer pattern, sun and patchy clouds each day with afternoon thunderstorms. Thursday, the hottest of the week at 92, and we may stay in the 90s through the weekend. If we get there every day, that would make it yet another heat wave, kind of a low end heat wave, but a heat wave nonetheless.